So here we go, about to leave the house. We got the puppies in the back. They're already laying down, nice and cozy, and we're ready to be off on our adventure. So hopefully this journey goes well. So we took a little potty break and we have about an hour and 20 minutes. They're both laying down. They had some water. Hopefully they'll just, you know, take another little nappy. And then we're on our way and we switched driving. We just need a little baby break, so onward. We just parked. We just made it to the beach. It's kind of around 60-ish degrees, a little bit gloomy, but that's kind of perfect because we don't want too many other dogs to be there. We'll see how she does. And we got the whole crew. We got their bag full of their stuff, and then we're gonna go on this path. Oh, they're pulling me. Hold on, Turbo. Hold on, you guys. We're not ready yet. So you can take this little path up there, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do. All right, so this is little girl's first time to the beach. Turbo's been swimming before, but this is his first time to this beach. And I like this little path here. And the water looks pretty calm, which is promising. He wants to swim so bad. I think he can sense that we're going swimming. He loves swimming so much. All right. Oh, starting to get to some sand. Come on, that's where we're going. Come on. Oh yeah, he's gonna. Don't let him choke himself. I know. See, we're almost there. And then when we get in our spot, then you guys can come off leash and do a lot of good swims. Oh, this is perfect.
I don't see anybody down here. He's going off leash now, dude.
Oh no! Wait until we get down there. Babes, don't.
Literally pulling me,
He loves it. She doesn't even know what sand is. This is her first time even seeing sand. Do you like the sand? Oh, oh, oh! No, she's getting. Oh my gosh, she's getting crazy. All right, hold on, buddy. Owners with pets to the right. Oh, oh, oh. Oh my God, honey, calm down. So I think we're literally the only people on this beach right now, which is amazing. Look how beautiful this beach is, actually. So yeah, this is gonna be great. We're gonna have lots of good swims. And the water is perfectly calm. And we're just gonna have to get them a stick or something so we can throw them something. Go on, babies. This is your time to shine and play. But yeah, she freaked out as soon as she seen the water. I don't know if it's just the water or she just didn't like those stairs. But she was having like a mini meltdown. Oh, there's a stick right there. That's perfect. Their first time in the water. Throw it shallow. Okay, or not. Oh God. Come here, honey.
She's like, I couldn't cut.
Yeah, exactly. And it's probably so cold, actually.
So cold.
Well, we have our life jacket just in case she goes any further. Oh, that probably feels great after being in the car for 3 hours. Get your fishy. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Good job. You got your fishy? Here, let mommy have it. Oh, okay. Never mind. Cuties. Oh, always comes off the shake by us. Why are you sassing your brother so much, huh? I think she wants to go get it, but she's afraid. Alright, you gonna throw it?
Let me see if I can. I'm gonna go wander and see if I can find 4 sticks to do.
Or maybe, how about throw it? I'm gonna throw it up and down the beach so she can try to get it too. Yeah, this beach is actually so soft. Like you probably don't even need the sandals.
Yeah. You just put on shorts even though I'm a cold shit.
Oh, Turbo, really? Out of all the places, you had to freaking trample the towel that we were about to sit on. Oh. He does not care at all. Oh, that was a far one. Yeah, this beach is so soft. Good boy, baby. They're just gonna follow you. All right, let's go on a beach walk. Oh my gosh, I wish I freaking lived next to this beach. I would be here all the time. I'm sure it picks up when it's a little bit warmer, but this is great. Oh, that's a good one.
Should be able to carry this one.
Oh, for sure. Maybe, yep. I was gonna say throw it like on the sand. Maybe that will help her kind of get it. Ew, what are you eating? I think she's trying to eat the sand. She's always trying to eat something. Let me see the fish. Come on. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, bring it back. Always wants to bother brother. Oh, there's one dog way over there. All right, let me have it. All right, let it go, please. Let it go. Oh, it's so wet and cold. Ready? 1, 2, 3. She loves running. Bring it back, girl.
Trying to make eye contact.
No, Biz, don't let her. Yeah, keep them occupied. Get your fishy. Oh, hold on, you got kind of tangled up, buddy. So we swam for quite a while. So we're gonna go check into the Airbnb, and then we have the pass until 9 p.m. So we're gonna go feed them, probably let them nap, and we're gonna eat ourselves, and probably come back a little bit later. But safe to say, they really loved this beach. Come here. Nope, we're going this way, buddy. And they're a little bit tired out. I did give them Dramamine this morning too, so that probably played a little bit of a role. Sorry, I'm a little winded going up those steps. But yeah, overall, a good first experience at the beach for Nova. And Turbo always enjoys the beach.